I'm Magda Carver. I work at Falmouth University in Cornwall, UK.
I'm Con Rahi, representing Loka Institute and Canadian Community-Based Research Network, which is based in Toronto, Canada.
My name is Angela. I'm from Munich, from Germany, and I'm working at the Ludwig Maximilians University.
I'm Monica Veste. I work as a head of the shelter in Stavanger.
My name is Michael Hyman, and I'm a geographer, and I work at Dickinson College in central Pennsylvania.
I'm Catherine Bates. I'm from DIT, Dublin Institute of Technology.
So my name's Christina Congatz. I'm from Edmonton, Canada. I study at the University of Alberta at the School of Public Health.
Hi, I'm Steve Thompson. I'm from Teesside University, which is in the northeast of England.
Hi, I'm Vanessa Carpenter, and I'm originally from Vancouver, Canada, and now I live here in Copenhagen, Denmark. And I'm working somewhere between iDemo Lab Delta, making a lot of different devices, helping people to live their lives better, and Illutron, which is making large-scale interactive art.
Hi, my name is Heiliki. I'm from Estonia, but I am doing my PhD at the Center for Gender Studies at the University of Cambridge.
I'm Diana Skrgani from Sweden, Kristianstad University, from the Department of Computer Science, Design and Computer Science.
I'm Michael Søgaard Jørgensen. I'm working at Aalborg University here in Copenhagen, and I'm one of the local organizers of the conference.
So it's really great as usual seeing people with a lot of practice, knowledge, and also wonderful people.
A really useful learning experience. Some of my thesis has already, I know, slightly shifted from the things I've learned in the conference, and you can't go wrong with the food. It's prime.
But I've seen loads of amazing and interesting projects, and I had interesting chats, which is, I guess, what you do at a conference, and lots of cake too. Thank you.
Most importantly, the people. Just it's nice to go to a conference where everyone that you meet you can have a conversation with.
Actually, it's my first conference of this type and first academic conference. So for me, it's really special.
I like it, and it seems to be a lot of enthusiasm in the sessions, so that's very nice.
Contacts and maybe some networks will happen after the event as well, so it's been really well worthwhile a visit.
Yeah, I'm really overwhelmed because I thought a lot about how to get the society more involved in research, and I haven't really heard about any science shops before I came here, so it's like really a new door opener for me.
The conference has been great. It's been full of ideas. There has been a lot of time for discussion. Today was awesome because the conference session that I have been in was extremely hands-on, and people were discussing, and I got into really good discussions with other people.
It's fantastic to see what organizations from different countries are doing to try and narrow the gap between civil society and academia.
I've got to reach you, I've got to see you. Let the light shine down on me. When the day breaks and the sky is changing colors into something new, I wanna see it with you.
Welcome to Living Knowledge 7 Dublin.
Promise that you'll always stay. Sunrise when the world is brand new. I wanna see you with you. I wanna touch you. I wanna make you feel like you're the only.
Dublin? Dublin. Dublin.